Our method at Sausage Hero combines a couple of pieces of equipment. One, a patent pending device called the single blade linker. Now that we have our rope stuffed, we're going to use the linker for the rest of the process. First, we're going to lay up the front of the rope and cut off the initial piece that has no meat in it. As such, it gives you a nice little closed end in the beginning. Now you want to measure the length of your link. Let's say you want to make a 5-inch link. We're going to bring the edge of our link to the 5 marker, crimp the casing down but not cut it. We're going to pull it back up and give it 2 twists. That allows us to twist the link, then bring down the blade and cut it. Okay, we're making 5-inch links, so we bring our link to the 5 mark, twist it, and cut. Gives us a nice closed end each time. Crimp it, twist it, and cut it. So once again, we're going to choose the size of the link. This time I'm going to go with a 6-inch link. Now this is collagen casing, so I don't need to do a twist, but it depends on the user. If they like to do a little twist, that's all right, but it's not necessary. So with the natural casing again, we're going to crimp it, twist it, and then crimp it, twist it. This you can give 3 or 4 twists, and then cut it. So there it is. That's how you make your own sausage. We're glad you joined us here today. Stop by our website, www.sausagehero.com, and purchase the entire kit, which has the linker, the stuffer, the casings, and the spices, or buy any components that you might need to make your own sausage. Tell us how it goes.